humingi naman po tayo ng kaunting mensahe, Miss Aaron. Do you need help? You want me to hold it for you?
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello! Kamusta naman kayo? Mabuti yan. Dapat lagi lang maganda ang araw natin, diba? Ayan, gusto ko po magpasalamat dito sa award na to ng PWDWFF Legacy Awards. Kahapon ko lang po actually na-receive ang invitation at ako po ay pansamantalang umalis sa taping ko ng Padyang Princess. Pinayagan po nila ako ngayon at babalik po ako ulit sa Marikina. Doon po kami nagtitaping. Yun po yung bagong show na kinabibilangan ko kasama si Miles Ocampo. Pinapalabas po yun tuwing bago mag-Itbulaga, Padyang Princess. So, ito po mga ganitong recognition, talagang nakaka-inspire po lalong gumawa ng mga magandang gawain at tulong sa ating mga, alam niyo na po, ating mga kapwa. At sana po panoorin niyo rin po yung magandang araw, tuwing Sabado yan sa Net25. At sana ma-feature ko ang mga PWD one of these days sa aking show. Maraming salamat po sa naniniwala at sumusuporta sa aking mission at advocacy. Dahil hindi niyo na po tatanungin, ako po ay may kapatid na may Down syndrome. Ang pangalan po niya ay si Mina Princess. Ang nickname niya Baching. She's 32 years old now. Makikita niyo po yun sa Facebook ko. Kasama ko po siya doon. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. Sana po nakakapagbigay ko ako ng inspirasyon sa inyong lahat. Thank you. God bless you all.
Yan, salamat Miss Ara. Tandaan nyo, Padyang Princess at yung magandang araw. Alright, next naman, go ahead, Freddie.
To our next awardee, Cap Jerwin Bautista, the Legacy Example Leaders in Government.
And
Cap Jerwin's dedication to serving others and making a positive impact, despite personal challenges, is truly inspiring. His resilience and belief in the power of community have led to significant improvements in our daily lives and fostered a sense of unity. His advocacy for accessibility and the rights of individuals facing various challenges has profoundly impacted our community, paving the way for a more inclusive society. Cap Jerwin's exceptional contributions and the positive changes he has brought to our community, making a deserving recipient of the PLA Award. Ladies and gentlemen, Cap Jerwin Bautista. Attorney Jessica Sikohor Magmanwa, policy champion for disability rights, inclusion, and accessibility.
for her tireless advocacy and legal expertise in promoting human rights and social justice, making significant strides in defending marginalized sectors. Ayan. And we also have, for his outstanding leadership and innovative contributions to his community, driving impactful initiatives that have improved community welfare from Caloocan City, Sir Alexander Mangasar. Yeah. Alright, sir. So sila ang ating mga policy champions, mga leaders. Si Konsehal Mangasar. Ayan. Alright.